Hello y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Jessie D. Today is going to be a little bit different of a video. Today I'm going to review two purchases that I purchased from Saks Fifth Avenue. Shout out to my shoe guy Daniel. You are amazing. If you want to shop with Daniel, I will definitely link his information below. He's amazing. He'll keep you up on the sales and different things like that at Saks. So if y'all want to see what's in the boxes that you were asking on Instagram, please keep on watching. So the first purchase that we will talk about is the Saint Laurent Opyum patent leather high heel sandals. Okay, this is, can y'all see it, the box they came in. I have been wanting these shoes for a minute, so I'm very happy to have them. They were not cheap, but the reason why I bought them is for my birthday. With all of this coronavirus, I don't know exactly how it's gonna work, but I bought them for my birthday to wear every year. Almost every year I buy myself something really nice for my birthday because I feel blessed to make it to that year, and I buy what the hell I want to buy. So I don't want to hear anything about, oh my god, you spent that much on these shoes. Bruh, these for my birthday, I buy what I want to buy. Okay, so we're gonna get that out the air. But these right here are the Opyum patent leather sandals that I have been wanting forever, and I finally had an excuse to buy them, so I did buy them. Saks was doing a sale where you can get $300 off. They did not give me $300 off of these, but they did give me these on a discount. I do own a Saks Fifth Avenue card, so I do get certain exclusives that aren't available on certain designer stuff, but because I have their card, they do give me that. So we're gonna get right into the unboxing of these. They come in this packaging. If you buy Saint Laurent, you know they use the same black packaging that they do all the time. Comes with like this tissue paper on them, and I looked at them, but I haven't really looked at them. It comes with this little thing that they always send. It's just what is this? Nothing. Let me see. Oh, it tells you how to clean them. It's just a little booklet. It tells you how to clean them in different languages and all that. But I'm probably not gonna wear these shoes but like once, because I've heard the reviews on them and they're not the most comfortable, but they're a statement shoe. I'm a fashion person, so I just love Saint Laurent. They are one of the higher quality brands that actually like have like really good materials on everything. Nothing is cheap, so I do like them. This is one of the shoes, the dust bag that it comes in with their same little branding or whatever that just says Saint Laurent. And let's see the shoe. Ooh, looky how cute. Oh my god, I love them. They just look so uncomfortable, but who cares? They is fine. I love them. I'm so glad that they had them in my size. I've been wanting these. A couple of people that I follow on Instagram have them, but I love them. And I cannot wait to rock them. Ooh, look how cute. Let's put them back up. Let me see. I mean, do y'all want to see the other shoe? Probably not, but I'm gonna show y'all anyway. Looks the exact same, but I like the dust bags they come in because it makes it easier for traveling, because for my birthday the plan is to go out of town. I don't know exactly where because this coronavirus is up in the air if I'm even gonna go anywhere. I'll probably be wearing these around the house, but anywho, this is the other one. It comes packaged the same, and the other ones did not come packaged this way, but we'll get to them in a second. These right here, this is the other shoe. They're beautiful. Looks the exact same. Anywho, I love them. I don't like to go through all the gist. I pull up some of the information online. These right here were, like I said, I got them on sale a little bit. That's why I went on ahead and bought both of them, because I feel like Saint Laurent on sale at Saks. Let me just go ahead and get it. These are like one of their staple shoes. So this doesn't mark down. The white ones marked down last year. I tried to get them, but Daniel posted it too late. They were sold out, and I was like, ugh. But they had like a pink pair, but they didn't have like the YSL heel, and that's what I really wanted. They had like the same style of those. From what I looked up online, the logo is 4 inches, so not like too crazy. They also have like a suede pair that I like too, but I'm not gonna buy them. I'm just gonna keep the black ones. But for the most part, the reviews that I've gotten from them, they're saying that they are beautiful, but the sizes run a little iffy. I haven't tried them on or anything like that yet. They just been in the box. I heard to go like up a size and down a size, so I just got my regular size 38 is what I usually do, but I will link it below because I'll try them on, but I'll link it below if like the size was correct on them, if they run true to size. I'm a true like 7.5, 8. I did try on the other pair that I'm about to show y'all, and they were a little too tight, but I might just roll with them, and those were 7.5, so these I got a 38 in, so hopefully they fit perfect. But for the most part, that's all I see is that they may be a little bit too small, but other than that, this is them. So next up is my favorites. I've been wanting them for a minute. These are the Cassandra's patent leather sandals, and y'all, I've been wanting these shoes forever. I'm gonna get the bags that match both of them. I know I don't need to, but I'm gonna buy it, so whatever. These shoes, like I said, they were on sale. How much I spent, I don't even want to tell y'all because my mama watched this video and she don't know nothing about brands, so I didn't really want to say so, but I will tell y'all. The Opyums, they were $8.45. That's how much I paid for them. Those shoes are regular $1,000, so I feel like I saved a lot of money, okay? I just feel like I saved a lot of money. But anywho, these right here, I gotta find out exactly how much I paid for them, but I want to say they may have been like $20 more or something like that from what I paid for them. But anywho, let's get on to this. Oh, this one came with the Saks Fifth envelope, but the other ones didn't. And the Opyums, they took longer to get here than these did. I ordered these on Monday. I had these shoes like Wednesday. So anywho, let me see how much I spent on these. Oh, so these were cheaper. These were $7.95. So like these shoes is like $1,100. So I just feel like I got a sale because they had them on sale. So I got them. But anywho, we're not gonna talk about that right now. We're gonna talk about these. These right here are the Cassandras. Oh my god. Now they have a pair that comes with the gold, like how my other heel had the gold right here. The other ones, they have a pair that has the gold emblem. I did not want that. I wanted the all black ones because I thought they were sexy, and they are. So I tried these on. They were not that bad. I do own several pairs of Louboutins. Well, not several, like 3. I own like 3 pair of Louboutins, and they are not comfortable, okay? These were more comfortable than them from what I put on. So with that being said, I mean, designer shoes, they just not that comfortable. The only designer shoe that's comfortable is the Valentinos, where they have the little studs on them. I forgot the exact style name on them, but those are the only ones that are comfortable. I don't own those, but I know several people that do, and those are the ones that are comfortable. These, they just ain't comfortable, but they it doesn't matter. Look how cute they are. So these are here, the Cassandras. I told you how much I paid for them. I thought it was a steal, so I got them. They are my purchases, because we're gonna talk about this shoe. So the specifics of this shoe, this heel is a 4 1/4, and these are the patent leather ones. They have different ones that come out every year. They have there's a new pair that's like suede, that's brown, and they say YSL, but like this part has like a palm tree. I thought those were cute. I was gonna get those, and I still might, but I went for these because these are like classics to me. I feel like they can never go old, and I love them. These, they come with the dust bag as well. They just didn't come with them already inside of them. And it also comes with a little brochure that tells you how to clean them. And that's pretty much it. This the other one, which looks the exact same. And this came in there too. I don't know what this is. Let's see. I think this is like a heel tap or something like that. I don't know exactly. I'll find out. But this right here, this is the other shoe. But yes, like I said, I absolutely love them. They are the best, and I am grateful to be able to get them because they're also on my vision board. Both of these are also on my vision boards, and I got them. So see how you just put things out there and you end up getting them. But I absolutely love them. Can't wait to rock them. Don't know exactly what I'm wearing with them yet because I'm not sure where I'm going. So I'm gonna put the whole look together, and when you want to see it, it will be on my Instagram, of course. But that is my unboxing of them. I will let y'all know if they're comfortable. Probably not, but they are the bomb, and I love them. And I thank y'all so much for watching me. Please like, share, and subscribe to my video. I post 3 to 4 times a week, and I'm enjoying posting and having a good time. If y'all like these type of videos, I will start posting more like product reviews and the things that I buy. I do not buy designer things all the time, just a couple of times a year, usually around my birthday or just randomly if I have, you know, if I want something. But I don't spend all my money on designer stuff. This is a financial channel, and I tell you all the time, like, to save your money and things like that. But every now and then it's important to splurge on yourself because you work hard for a reason, and you should be able to buy the things you want. If this is not something that you want, you don't buy it. But you don't judge other people for buying it either. But you just don't buy it. You just have to stand by it and don't feel bad when you buy it. If you feel bad, then you shouldn't have bought it. But I wanted to just be transparent, tell y'all how much I spent on them and all that. And so if y'all like reviews like this, comment, like, subscribe, put in the comments below that when I get the purses, if y'all want me to do a review on those, I would do that as well. Just support me in my channel. That's all I want. And listen to my tips, because like I said, they usually can save you a lot of money and help you out in the long run. I love y'all. Have a great day and slay. Bye.